Good afternoon. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I'm grateful that you are checking me out today. If this is your first time checking me out, I am a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts that we place on Nadex. And my goal is to help or teach as many of you traders, may you be an aspiring trader or an active trader. I want to show you how to become not only consistently profitable, but I want to show you how to do it using as little capital as possible, using the lower risk contracts that cost you less. So before we dive in, just as a reminder, right now, until the 31st, I have another promotion going on, and this is probably going to be the last one because I'm doing a lot to make things a lot more accessible for you all, so there won't be many promotions going forward after this. But if you missed the $200 promotion that I offered where you can get all of my coaching material for $200, then you really missed a great opportunity. But we do have one available for you now where you can obtain the same information and more for $299, or you can receive it in the form of a preloaded aluminum waterproof customized Grind Major Day Trading flash drive. It'll be preloaded with all of the same material, and that'll be mailed out to you. So you can take part in that pre-sale from now until the 31st. As of the 1st, everything is going to be mailed out, and all that, everyone's going to be given their access, all that good stuff. And on the 3rd, we're kicking off our regular training webinars over the weekend. So for those of you that are busy during the week, you have your 9 to 5. As of starting on August 3rd, Grind Major is going to be offering training sessions, live training sessions with me every Saturday morning at 11 o'clock. And that's kind of tentative. Right now, I'm scheduling to have them every morning at 11. Looks to be that it's going to be that way. But they will be starting on August 3rd, so you'll be able to take part in that as well. So I told you a couple of weeks ago, there's a lot of great things going on. Also, in the courses section, I'm going to be reloading updated content along with some brand new tools. One in particular that is really going to change things for you as far as having to rely on individuals for information, myself included. So, again, just a lot of great things lined up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just dive into what I did today on the S&P 500 and what I let my clients know as far as the trade plan goes the night before, so that they could be prepared to take advantage of it as well. All right, so my morning actually started pretty early. I got into a buy position around 4:45 this morning. You'll see that here. It was on a daily contract to expire at 4:15, and we got an entry price at $44. And actually, before I get into it, just know, or actually make sure you go follow me at GM_day trading on Instagram, where you can see the contracts from today, along with past trades and any kind of information as far as announcements, promotional information that's going on right now. All of that good stuff, you can see it at GM_day trading. And of course, you can go to the website, grindmajordaytrading.com. But anyway, so we got our first entry at 4:45 this morning. Now with the plan for today, I let everyone know last night, not even really last night, it was like just after the market closed around 5:30. I let everyone know that we'd be in good shape to get price going to the upside if we get price holding above 3,003. Now, why is my entry right around 29.96? This previous level, which at some point in time, maybe a week or two ago, was our entry on a Thursday. So again, these are old notes that we're reusing because history repeats itself quite often on this instrument, which is why I'm always showing you this instrument. You can make money on 50 different charts if you want to, or you can get really proficient at a few charts and just nail them every single day. Take your pick. I like the latter part, all right? And I'll teach you to do the same. It's cool to have all these charts, but I think at the end of the day, we all want to make bank deposits, and you don't need 50 charts to make a consistently good amount of money in the market. You just need to focus on a few and get very proficient with those few. I mean, that's what I help you with. So anyway, the reason I got my entry in here is because overnight, I was actually taking, I kind of had some bad insomnia, so I really couldn't sleep too well. So I was peeking at the market all night last night, and I didn't want to take an entry. I just want to kind of see what was going to play out. And I saw that we got a good sell-off down to the psychological 3,000 level, and then we dipped below. And we had a hard time going below a level that we had already previously traded. So I just wanted to watch and see what took place. And at the time that I got my entry, we were, again, bouncing off of that level. So I wanted to go ahead and get in. I saw a good price, so I took it. And again, the reason I did that is because not only do I have a plan for the upside, if that's the direction that I'm going, I have a plan to get out if it goes the wrong way. So there's nothing for me to stress about. So I went ahead and jumped in my position at a level that I had previously traded before. Given the fact that we were getting such a drastic move overnight with such low volume, I figured this might be a good wind up to the upside. So I went ahead and took that. And then I got my exit at around 9:52 in the morning. So just before 10 o'clock this morning, a little bit after the market opened, we got our exit at $94 per contract, which resulted in a $50 profit per contract. So the majority of this trade I spent actually sleeping. I finally was able to, get myself to doze off. So I went to sleep not too long after placing this trade. And then again, of course, I was up shortly thereafter because I don't really sleep much, but I was up shortly thereafter. I was able to watch the rest of the move take place. And again, this is a level that we were looking for as a target yesterday, and that many of my clients were able to utilize as a target area because we made it up here, but we didn't make it above yesterday. So good target area for yesterday. We used it again this morning. Price made its way up here, and I went ahead and got my exit. You see, they took a quick peek above it. I was out right here. I got taken out on a order that I had set to take me out automatically. We call those pending orders or a take profit order. So I had this order set at $50 out because I knew that's what I wanted. Over 100%. I got in at $44. I got out at a $50 profit. So that's over 100% return on my investment today on that first trade. And then my second trade, really quick one. This was going to be a shorter time frame trade, going to expire in 2 hours. When I entered, there was about an hour and a half left on it. It was going to go from 10 to 12. I got in around 10:26 for a risk of $35 per contract. And we got the continuation. Rest of that popped to the upside that I figured we would get. Just try to fill out this wick that we got right here because we were already in an involved move to the upside. So that's what we got. Got some drawdown, got a good entry price at $35 on that drawdown. And then we got our pop to the upside where we filled out the wick and then made it a little bit extra. And got our exit at $56 per contract, which resulted in a $21 profit per contract. And that happened in 10 minutes. So we made another extra $105 there in 10 minutes, and now we're done. And then we got the sell-off off of the highs because we're now creeping back up, flirting with those all-time highs again. All-time highs are up here in the 30.23 area. So we're, flirting with either making a push to make it up there or making a nice sell-off. All good reasons to go ahead and get out for the day. And now we're done. So really quick recap. Again, not really much to go over. This is a really basic trade today because we're just reusing levels, again, that we're doing all the time. And when we get new key levels, we mark those off and then we, watch the price action around those levels and we act accordingly based on the plan that we have. So you get all this, you learn how to do this at grindmajourdaytrading.com. Or excuse me, at Grind Major Day Trading. You get signed up at grindmajordaytrading.com. So make sure you go over there, take advantage of the promotion that's going on until July 31st, where you can get all of the material that you will see listed on the site for either option that you choose, whether it be online access for $2.99, or you're going to get the physical copy preloaded, mailed out to you for $3.29. Pick your option, both great options, but I look forward to working with you, and I most certainly look forward to seeing you on August 3rd when we kickstart our Saturday training sessions. All right, so have a great rest of your Wednesday. Hope it was productive and profitable, and I'll be talking to you very soon. All right, peace.